Dear students, it is the video 4th and we are covering the writing strategies. In the previous video 3rd, we covered some classic writing techniques which are often taught to the students at school level, college level, and even at the university level. Fine, to write with a brief and proper organization. Another very important technique of writing that is very handy and can help you, or that can assist you in quick and agile manner in difficult situation where you are very time restricted assignments. They are called journalist questions. For example, you are sitting in a quiz and your quiz is memory management system or something like, clear? Or you have been given an essay in competitive exam, for example 1 hour you are applying for grade 17 post, and the essay is write an essay on terrorism, clear? At that stage, what you can do, the easiest way is traditional journalist questions. These are who, what, where, when, how, and why, clear? That if you don't have any schema in your mind, you are you are completely void. Fine, these are very important things. For example, this section will complete who are the terrorists, who are the affected people, who are the people controlling terrorists, who are the people in favor to the terrorism, who are the people against the terrorism, what are the terrorism, what are the styles of terrorism, what are the strategies of the terrorism, what are the plannings of the terrorists, clear? Where the terrorism is conducted, clear? In the countries, outside the countries, in the land, in the sea, in the air, clear? When, this section answers when the terrorism is conducted. Is it conducted around the year? Does it happen when some international development happens, clear? Does it happen on simply religious and social festivals? How it happens? Well, bomb blasts or target killing or any other form of terrorism, in how it happens. And next is why it happens, that why do the people are involved in terrorism, why the other nations support terrorism, clear? Why cannot we control terrorism? So these are called the journalist questions. Basically, even in our normal life, clear, we need these questions: who, what, where, when, how, and why, most probably. Fine, thereby these are very handy technique to go on and apply and solve your writing assignment. For example, they have applied the same writing technique on the same topic: effects of Pfisteria pollution of the Chesapeake Bay. Fine. Number one, who is causing pollution? Whom does it affect? Who cares about it? People who live on the bay, work on the bay, are the fishermen. What should the outbreak be treated as a serious or normal? Narrow the topic to the fish only. Where? Just in the rivers, the part of bay will be covered. Mean you find it that how the writer has actually included this technique. Now, multiple perspective. Other than these traditional ways of writing, writers have to use some critical questions to enhance and enrich their writing and bring innovations. Clear? These questions actually come from the critical thinking and the critical point of view. Let's see multiple perspectives. Looking at your topic from the multiple perspectives may give you an unexpected ideas and details to pursue. When you are forced to look at your topic from the multiple points of view, you see relationships that would not have occurred to you. This approach invites you to look at your topic as an entity, as a process, or as a part of a process, and as a system or a part of a system. It also invites you to look at differences, variabilities, and prevalence. Clear? You need to answer these questions. What is its essence? What is its main idea? How would you describe it? How would you like to express it? How does it fit on a larger group or a system? How far this is going to be uh, beneficial for the larger group? How does it compare with others like it on the group? How does it change your over time and much does it change before it become something else? How is it unique? They have mapped the same strategy on the this strategy on the same topic, environmental pollution of the Chesapeake Bay. What is the essence? Pollution is a form of allergy pollution. Bifesteria is a form of allergy pollution. Is bifesteria is form of allergy or bacteria? It's a critical. How would you describe it? How does the bifesteria pollution show itself? Can we tell before the fish start dying? Clear? Number two, how does it fit to a larger group or system? What other kinds of pollutions are there in the bay? Does it pollute water primarily? What other allergy does it compete with? How does it compete with the others like it in the group? Is Bifesteria only deadly actually found there? Now, how does it change over time and how much does it change before it becomes something else? And how is it unique? Dear students, these critical questions are used by the advanced writers to bring innovation and creativity in their writings. It isn't that you are restricted only to this. You can apply it even to your computer sciences topics. For example, at cloud computing, clear? For example, robotics. For example, uh, advanced computer chips, clear? Fine. So you can select a topic and raise a question, ask critically, and then the first stage, draft your ideas in a flow, convert them into paragraph and sentences. Thank you very much. Hope you have understood the generalist questions and the other perspectives of the